Hey guys, Angelina here. So today I'm just going to be making my first ever dream slash vision board. I've never made one before, so this is gonna be my first time. We have like a tornado storm coming on, even though it looks like super sunny right now, so I can't go out to go buy like a foam board or anything, so I'm just gonna be using the stuff that I have at home. I already had like a grid board from way before because like from my room decorations and all that, which I used to hold Polaroids, so I thought that I could just replace them with pictures for the board. So the plus of my thing, of like why it was room decor in the first place, is it was super cute to hold my Polaroids, and then it would also had like this little shelf thing that I adore. So mine came out looking like this and I'm super happy about it. It's so freaking cute. Yeah, really cute. We love her. So basically, vision boards are just very powerful tools to make your dreams come true. I've always been a firm believer of law of attraction and just manifesting what I believe in and what I want to bring towards my life. So in a sense, it's kind of like the universe is answering you. If y'all want to learn more about it, there's so much online on the law of attraction, so I definitely recommend you to go check those out. It's super interesting. That's basically like the main concept of a dream board. I'm pretty sure y'all know what it is by now. There's been so many things on it, so it inspired me to make my own. But yeah, so I'm just gonna get straight into it. I'm just gonna give you like a little rundown on how to do it, how I made mine, and then kind of explain the things that I put on mine.
I've been on my way up, now it's really far down. I don't think I'll feel it when I hit the ground. In October it feels like summer.
So like my printer just had like a mental breakdown. Homie started printing on the wrong sides of the paper, and like, I mean, it looks kind of cool, but it's fine, we're back. Okay, so for the first thing, you want to get pictures. Basically, I just searched through Pinterest and We Heart It. I had a bunch of like these old printing pages, like the glossy papers, so I just decided to get my pictures at home instead of going to CVS or Walgreens or something, because pictures be expensive kind of. But I mean, after this experience, maybe I should have, because my printer had a mental breakdown. But yeah, basically all of my pictures here, these are kind of small. I'll show you like what board I'm using so that you can see like reference. Okay, so this thing, I'm gonna use that. Yes, so we're gonna be using this for my vision board today. It's like, you know, a little grid thing, and I got this on Amazon. It's just like room decor, but I figured that it was like I wouldn't put a white foam poster board on my wall, and this one's already on my wall, so why not revamp it? Okay, so I have that there. I have my pictures. I also got these from Amazon. Like I said, this was just room decor, so I already had all of this lying around. But I mean, these are inexpensive and they're really cute. You could also use normal clothespins. So what you're gonna want to do is start cutting. Oh my gosh, what if I cut my hair? Dramatic. So this is Hottie Savannah. I want her body, so she's gonna go on there. And then I have some cute quotes as well. This is my first sheet. What I have here is I have Savannah, like I said. This one says, visualize your highest self, start showing up as her. It's like a boss quote. I just really want to visualize myself as a boss, basically. Okay, the ink totally smudged on this one. I'm not sure if that's gonna hinder my manifestation. Okay, so now I have all my pictures. All I have to do is put them on here. So I'm just gonna go through all of them and stick them as we go. So this is my center one. So basically when you're making a vision board, you kind of want a center point. This is just kind of like the big idea for the year. It should be my centerpiece, just to kind of focus on what's to come rather than what has already happened. So that's gonna be my centerpiece. So we're gonna just stick that. Next big goal for the year is to hit 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. So I kind of just like edited it there on my phone and put it on there. So my next one is this. It basically says you should just go for it. I feel like this year could be about trying new things. So this is just a piece of encouragement. These two I printed out for school related purposes. So this is OChem. I'm taking OChem this semester, so let's do well in that. And then this is just an A+ general thing. Let's just ace all of our classes this semester. Another focus that I want to hit is to eat healthy and to work out. So just a healthier lifestyle for the year. So I have these two. So I just have these two to symbolize that. So I also want to focus on traveling this year. So I have these. This one's just a really pretty view. This one's another cute view, all with food. Little tiny one. This tiny one's of Coachella this year, so I just really wanted it to be like a good time. Recently I got freaking scammed, so if y'all want to find out his Twitter and not attack him, but just like, it makes me so mad. Like, why? This one's of Japan because I really want to go. So I have these two, and these are kind of just like daily affirmations, and this one's just a reminder of being mindful. So there's just like some self-awareness going on. So they just have like little tips. It's so cute. These kind of show you like what to be grateful for, and this one's to be mindful. I'm allowed to be loud. I deserve and receive massive amounts of love every day. And then over here it's just saying to go outside, walk around in nature, forgive yourself for every negative thought, be grateful, all of that stuff, positive things. I'm also studying right now. I'm on a pre-PA track, which is for like physician assistants. So I just found this one on Pinterest. I just searched physician assistant. It's a little controversial that she's holding money. I obviously don't want to be a PA for money. It just happens to be a boss lady holding some money. Now I'm gonna start speeding through, but they're all coming together. So basically this one is yesterday. This one's yesterday, now, tomorrow. Same concept with my centerpiece. Basically I always overthink the past, so I just thought I should focus on now. This one is just books. I really want to focus on reading more books this year. And I recently got a new book. This is what it's called. It seems pretty interesting. I just started reading it. Y'all can comment down below any book suggestions if you have any. That's one thing. This one is just of someone doodling or drawing. I want to be more artistic this year. This one says things are not as personal as they feel. So, I mean, people talk a lot, so let's just ignore them this year. This one I already explained. I really want to go to one of these one day, so I'm gonna put that on here. I feel like this is just a cute, happy picture. We stan, so that's going on there. Princess Polly. I love clothing from Princess Polly, so maybe hopefully a collaboration with them. This one's Create the Life You Want, and this one's Make It Happen. So those are my last two. I'm just gonna stick them on there and show y'all my overall thing. So that's my end result. I'm freaking in love with it. I feel like the grid rather than like the foam board makes a little cute aesthetic for my room. It's just a plus. It looks like decoration. It's very subtle, but it's still something that I would look at every day, and that goes on there. This is what I used to hold my Polaroids previously. This is just a cute picture of me and my friends, my boyfriend. So I just wanted to stick that on there. I totally forgot that my thing came with that, so I totally had to put it back on, but still looking so cute. And then I can put stuff in here.
I don't think I'll feel it when I hit the ground. In October, it feels like
y'all like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe. You can also request any videos if you want me to do anything, so